Hello and welcome back to our freeCodeCamps regular expression course. This is match single characters not specified. It says so far you've created a set of characters that you want to match, but you could also create a set of characters that you do not want to match. These type of character sets are called negated character sets. To create a negated character set, you place a caret character after the opening bracket and before the characters you do not want to match. For example, this here pattern matches all characters that are not vowel or not a vowel. Note that characters like dot, exclamation, opening bracket, at, and forward slash, and white space are matched. I think they meant not matched. Or they are matched. The negated vowel character set only excludes the vowel characters. Yeah, so it only goes up to here. I think they're trying to say that it won't get this stuff over here. But either way, yeah. We use the caret character, and then right after it, we put the characters we don't want to match. So these will be excluded, and then at the end of this, well, that doesn't include this pattern here. It just knows this is all we mean, and then end it here, and then our global and ignore case. So note that characters, yeah, white space are matched. I don't know why it says that. Create a single regex that matches all characters that are not a number or a vowel. Remember to include the appropriate flags in the regex. So, I mean, as long as we understand the challenge, they want us to basically do the same thing as here, but we're also not going to match numbers. So all characters, we want to match all characters that are non-number or vowel. So opening, closing, caret character, A, E, I, O, U, and then we would do 0 through 9. But since letters and numbers are treated differently, we want to begin our pattern exclusion of these numbers. And then, okay, we got the character, and then I did 2 of these. There should only be 1. Where does the IG go? Is it outside? I'm not sure. We'll see right now. Oh, actually, we could just see this. Yeah, it's outside of the thingy. That should be fine. Let's go change this line. We already changed that line. This one we want it to be quote sample dot match. Same thing we've been doing on all these other lessons. And to check it, we could just console it out. And there we go. We get everything that's not a number or a vowel. So, as long as you're understanding that, well, let's run it. We did pass. As long as you guys are understanding that we could also exclude characters using this character set thing, you know, I would think, you know, you could do something like that. And, I mean, it shows that it worked. So I guess that works too. It just kind of lets you know, well, it's all these characters, and then number-wise, it's all these numbers. Again, the I is ignore, it's the ignore flag, and the G is match all cases, not just the first one. As long as you're understanding this stuff, you guys are getting it, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.